If you are not satisfied with your life, listen to this story until the end, because it will change your life. Once upon a time, there was a crow. One day, he began to feel unhappy with his life. He was sitting on a tree branch, shedding tears. At that moment, a monk was sitting under the tree. A drop of the crow's tears fell on the monk's cheek. The monk looked up and saw the crow and asked him, "Why are you crying?" The crow replied, "Oh, wise one, I am very unhappy with my life. No one loves me. When people see me, they chase me away and don't give me food. Everyone hates me. It would be better to die than to live like this." Hearing the crow's words, the monk's heart filled with compassion. He said to it, "My child, no matter what our circumstances, we must learn to be happy." But the crow did not understand these words and insisted, "Please help me. I want to be something else." The monk thought for a moment and said, "Well, what do you want to be? Tell me, and I will help you." The crow was delighted and said, "If you want to do me a favor, turn me into a swan." The monk replied, "I can turn you into a swan, but first go and ask a swan. Find out if it is happy with its life, then come back and tell me." The crow flew to a pond. There was a swan gliding on the water. He approached it and said, "Oh swan, how beautiful you are. You are as white as milk. Everyone loves you. You must be the happiest bird in the world." The swan replied, "No, my friend, I am not happy. There are so many beautiful colors in the world, but I only have white. I feel incomplete because I have no colors. I think the happiest bird in the world must be the parrot." Hearing this, the crow went to the parrot. He said to him, "Oh, parrot, you are so colorful and beautiful. You must be the happiest bird in the world." The parrot replied, "No, my crow friend, I am not happy either. People catch parrots and put them in cages. I live in constant fear of being caught. That's why happiness isn't with me. I think the peacock is the happiest bird in the world because it's even more colorful than me." Upon hearing this, the crow began searching for the peacock. Finally, in a zoo, he found a peacock in a cage. Hundreds of people had gathered to see it. The crow went up to it and said, "Oh, peacock, how beautiful you are. Thousands of people come here to see you. But when people look at me, they immediately chase me away. You must be the happiest bird in the world." The peacock sighed and replied, "I used to think so too. But because of my beauty, I was locked in this cage. People pluck my colorful feathers to make decorative items, which causes me great pain. I am not happy." The crow was surprised and asked, "If you are not happy, then who is the happiest bird in the world?" The peacock said, "I have carefully observed the entire zoo. You are the only free bird here. No one catches you and puts you in a cage. You are free. You can fly wherever you want. If it were possible, I would want to be a crow too." When the crow heard this, he took a deep breath and returned to the monk's side. "Oh, wise one, I am now happy to be a crow. I don't want to be anything else." In life, we often compare ourselves to others. We look at what others have and complain about our own lives. This makes us unhappy. Yet true happiness comes from being content with what we have and giving thanks. A person who compares themselves to others can never be happy. But a person who is satisfied with what they have is the happiest person in the world.